5 Beauty and complexity of the nature. Open your eyes to the world's canvas. Marvel at the myriad shades of greens, blues, and golds. Feel the whispering wind, a gentle symphony that stirs the soul. Listen to the rustling leaves, nature's choir in harmony. Touch the textures of nature, from velvety petals to rough, resilient bark. Explore the riveting patterns in every leaf, every stone. Inhale the earthy aroma of rain-kissed soil, a scent that evokes life and growth. Taste the sweetness of dew on a fresh morning blossom. Discover the beauty and complexity of nature. It's a journey worth taking. It's a love affair worth cherishing.